Hi, this is a demonstration of the Tech 2000 Exam Prep iPhone app using the CLSP question set. The app has 4 tabs along the bottom. The study guide you see here has 3 sections we'll see in a moment. The Results tab shows your scores. The Configure tab lets you decide what content should be included. The Help tab has help as well as information about the app itself. First, let's configure which questions we want in our exam. I'm going to turn off several of the courses. Notice that all the modules in those courses are automatically turned off as well. You can also turn off and on modules within any course that is included. Now, back on the study guide, there are a few choices we can make. The Randomize Questions feature will randomize questions each time it is turned off and on. If you leave the switch on, the questions will not change their order. If you want a new random order, you must turn the switch off and on. The Missed Questions Only feature excludes questions you have answered correctly. The Immediate Feedback option will notify you when you have incorrectly answered a question and give you a chance to retry or skip it. You can control the total number of questions in the lesson with this slider. If you have not yet answered questions or were last on question 1, you will only see a Start button. If you were in the middle of answering questions, a Resume button will take you back to where you were last. There are 2 kinds of questions. Single answer questions like this one have a picker interface. You can tap the correct answer or drag the slider to the correct answer. Some questions have checkboxes to allow you to select more than one answer. If more than one answer is correct, all the correct answers must be selected for the question to be deemed answered correctly. The More Info button leads to a page with more information about that question. The summary information is always available. The reference material comes from the internet, so you must have a network connection, either Edge, 3G, or Wi-Fi, for this information to be available. And the speed with which it appears depends on the quality of the connection. Use the Next and Previous buttons to navigate through the list of questions. Or you can use the slider to jump further into the course. Some questions or answers are too long to fit in the space allocated. Simply tap the pop-up icon to see the full text of the question or answer. Back on the study guide, there are 2 other sections, study, and training. Study is designed to help you learn about what you either haven't answered yet or have answered incorrectly. The personal tutor will select internet links for you. The study mode focuses on what you haven't answered yet. The review mode focuses on what you haven't answered correctly. The ratings are based on your responses. Tap an entry to visit the related website. Once visited, the selection is gray, so you know you've already been there. Tap the small exposure triangle to learn more about what the resource is and why it was selected for you. The training section allows you to explore links to other training resources, such as instructor-led training, online training, etc. The training links are also rated in relevance, similar to the study and review links, to help you identify the training that is most relevant to you. The study and training sections are most effective after you have answered more than a few questions. You can see your results for each course by going to the Results tab. Tap the exposure triangle to see results for a specific course. Once on a course page, tap an exposure triangle to see results for a specific module. The Configure tab also allows you to delete all of your responses to questions This makes it seem as though you have never answered any questions. The Help Guide has a basic walkthrough of the information and discussions of the navigation. And the About page provides information about the application, such as its version, and a link to the application's homepage, as well as a link to related course material.